Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make my super simple chicken recipe that's popped into the slow cooker. It literally takes 5 minutes of hands-on time to do. I'm asked for this recipe over and over, so I thought that I would share it here on YouTube with you. All you need are 4 ingredients. That's your chicken, as well as your spice rub, which is made up of 1 tablespoon of each of the following: smoked paprika, ground coriander, and ground cumin. Combine your spices and drop them into the chicken. Rub them well, and also try and put some of the spice rub underneath the chicken skin if you can. Put your pot into the slow cooker, cover it with the lid, and it's time to turn it on. Don't add anything else. So all you need to do is set your slow cooker to low and set it to cook for 6 hours. Now my chicken was about 2, maybe 2.25 kilos, so of course it depends on the weight of your chicken. 6 hours later it's ready and my kitchen is smelling divine. As you will see, there's quite a lot of liquid in the pot coming from condensation, and next I will remove that liquid from the pot. Of course, you can always use it for chicken stock if you like. If I'm in a hurry, I have eaten the chicken as is, but if you have some spare time, it's always nice to put your chicken under the grill to get the skin a little bit crispy. The great thing about the slow cooker, or one of the great things might I add, is that the pot can go in the oven along with the lid if I wish to. So no extra work here, just pop it in the oven under the grill and voila! It was under the grill for 20 minutes. All I did was halfway through, at around the 10-minute mark, I rotated the pot so that the grilling was evenly distributed on the chicken. So there it goes, just 5 minutes of hands-on time and a delicious chicken recipe for you and your family. I guarantee you will love it all. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.